If you've clicked on this video, you're about to discover one of the easiest AI niches quietly pulling massive views on YouTube right now. There's a channel currently generating tens of millions of views, over 213,000 subscribers. And the crazy part? The format is so simple that most people completely overlook it. Animals, tiny body cameras, exploring famous rivers, cities, oceans, and even ancient ruins. That's it. But here's the twist. Every video feels mysterious, dangerous, almost like you're discovering something you were never meant to see. And that's exactly why people can't stop watching. Today, I'm going to show you how to create ultra-realistic micro-camera animal and insect videos using 100% free AI tools. No paid software, no expensive gear, and no complicated editing skills. So make sure you watch till the end. And before we jump in, comment ready below if you're serious about building a faceless AI channel this year. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a powerful idea. To make this easier, I created 2 simple prompts you can use to generate your videos. I'll drop the link to the document in the description below. Open the document and copy the first prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt and click Generate. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 viral-ready video ideas based on globally recognizable locations, high-curiosity discoveries, first-person animal POV storytelling. These prompts are what transform a simple idea into something that feels cinematic and immersive. One prompt, multiple outputs, endless possibilities. For example, I'm going to pick idea number 3. Now you can already feel the curiosity in that title. Next, go back to your Google document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then replace the title with the one you selected. But here's something very important. Do not choose a boring title. Instead of something simple like, I'm a shark swimming in the ocean, choose something curiosity-driven like, I'm a great white shark, GoPro POV near the Great Barrier Reef, I found a sunken war relic. Now set the number of scenes to 5 and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 5 ultra-realistic POV video prompts ready for AI video generation. Each scene follows a clear escalation structure. Scene 1, strong hook. Scene 2, exploration. Scene 3, something strange appears. Scene 4, tension builds. Scene 5, major discovery. This structure is extremely important. It's what keeps viewers watching until the end. Now copy the Scene 1 prompt. Open Grok. Before generating anything, go to Settings, Behavior, turn off automatic video generation. This gives you more control over your video creation. Next, click Imagine Video, select 9:16 format for YouTube Shorts. Paste your Scene 1 prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your first video clip is ready. Download the video. This is where most beginners make a big mistake. If you skip this step, your video will feel like random AI clips stitched together. Here's what to do. Go to the last frame of Scene 1. Copy. Then click the back arrow in Grok and paste that image into the prompt bar. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy Scene 2, and paste it into Grok. Generate again. This keeps the environment consistent, making the video feel like one continuous adventure. Instead of disconnected clips, your story now flows naturally and smoothly. Repeat the same process for all 5 scenes. Once all your clips are ready, it's time to combine them. You can use any free video editor, but I'll be using CapCut. Import all your clips. Drag them onto the timeline. Arrange them in order. Then export your final video. And just like that, you've created your AI animal body cam adventure video. Let's play our final result.
Team, confirmed dorsal mount secure. Secured. Releasing now.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation strategies.